Conscious endeavors out here in nature camping. Let's see our bonfire. Talking about nature and staying in a high vibrational frequency. If you're feeling sad, down, or low, go into nature or go into water. The highest vibrational frequency on earth is in nature and is love. If you fill your heart with love, that's the highest vibrational frequency also. And the highest vibrational frequency in nature is in water. That's why a lot of times when you take a shower, you feel instantly a lot better, rejuvenated. Water is very cleansing and clearing. For spiritual practices and healing, it is also said that water is it cleanses your aura, it cleanses for healings. So, if you feel bad and you want to lift your frequency, and if you want to feel better, go into nature. Go for a swim. Walk in the woods. Meditate in front of a bonfire. Staring at a flame helps open your pineal gland. If you stare at a flame, it helps open your pineal gland, pituitary gland, your third eye. So staring in a flame is very beneficial for you. A lot of people do it subconsciously. They don't know that it feels good, but they know that it's very relaxing. Very beneficial to stare into the flame. It's a great meditation if you're feeling bad. It's a great meditation to stare into a bonfire or stare into a candle. As I said, it opens your third eye. Also take off your shoes. The Indians said to take off your shoes because they make you sick. The rubber insoles, it blocks grounding from the negative ions that we receive from the earth. So it's very beneficial to take off your shoes when you're in nature. I know we're worried about getting dirty, but we could always dust off. Clean your feet before you put them back in your shoes. So do earthing and grounding. Take off your shoes, connect to the earth, go into nature, raise your frequency, meditate to feel better. These are the things that I do when I'm depressed and I feel sad. We want to make more of a habit of going camping too, being into nature more. We want to make more of a habit of doing that, so that's on the list of things to do as well. So, thanks for watching. Be well. See you soon.